Thank you for coming to YouTube channel, Mr. Professor, or 교수 아재 in Korean. In this video, we're going to handle a problem related to combination. So more precisely, we want to count the number of arrangements of the integers 1 through n such that each integer differs by 1 except the first integer from sum of integer to the left of it in the arrangement. Suppose that a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub n be such an arrangement. Okay. So if a sub 1 is equal to 1, then can you guess what the next one? Yes, a sub 2 must be 2 because of this condition. Each integer differs by 1 from some integer to the left of it. So you can also easily guess what the third one. So a sub 3 must be 3. Okay. So if a sub 1 is equal to 1, we have no choice. Then 1, 2, 3, and n here. So this is the only arrangement if a sub 1 is equal to 1. And if a sub 1 is equal to n, then you can also easily guess what the next one. So that should be n minus 1 because of this condition. So if a sub 1 is equal to n, then this is a unique arrangement. But if a sub 1 is equal to 2, then actually on the second spot, we have 2 options. So we can have a 1 or we can have a 3 in here. So if we have a 1 on the second spot, then the remaining part, it should increase, goes by 1 like this. But if we have a 3 on the second spot, then a sub 3, still we have an option. Maybe we have 2 options. So 1 or 4. Okay, so like this. So depending on the location of a 1, or except the location of a 1, okay, the remaining part, it goes up by 1. Okay, more generally, depending on a sub 1, we actually have just 2 types of sequences. So it's increasing sequence, goes by 1, like this, or decreasing sequence, like this. Okay, so if the positions for the decreasing sequence, are determined, then the positions for the increasing sequence are automatically determined. So the number of such arrangement, okay, that's just because the remaining part, we have n minus 1 positions. So you just want to choose a sub 1 minus 1 positions for the decreasing sequence. So that's why we have only n minus 1, choose a sub 1 minus 1. Okay. But to get the total number of arrangements. So in total, okay, so because this arrangement depends on a sub 1, okay, so the total number of arrangements is the summation depending on a sub 1. And a sub 1 is moving from 1 through n in here. So this is the total number of arrangements. Okay. So if you plug the numbers in here, you can have n minus 1 choose 0. And actually this is a sub 1 is equal to 1. And as I told you, there is only 1 arrangement in here. So that's why this is 1. Okay. And then minus 1 choose 1. up to n minus 1 to n minus 1. So this is the case is x sub 1 is equal to s. And as I told you, there is only one such an arrangement. But this, the summation of those things is actually the summation of the coefficients of the binomial expansion. Okay, 1 plus x to the n minus 1. So by plugging 1 into x, okay, so we can have this 1. And this is equal to 2 to the n minus 1. Thank you for watching.